Go to home page and touch gear icon. Enter the correct password. The default password is 1234. First click on System Settings. Then click on Work Mode. When the EMS mode is in battery first, PV energy supply is first used to charge the battery, and then used to power the load. If the PV energy is insufficient, the grid will supply both the battery and the load. If you change EMS mode to load first, PV energy supply is first used to power the load, and then used to charge the battery. If the PV energy is insufficient, the grid will supply both the battery and the load. Go to home page and touch gear icon. Enter the correct password. The default password is 1234. First click on System Settings. Then click on Time of Use. Check Time of Use Enable. Click the Confirm button at the bottom right corner. Then click Time of Use again. Up to 6 charging and discharging time periods can be set. Click the circle to select charging and discharging mode. You can customize the start and end time of each time period, as well as power and battery cutoff SOC. After setup, click the Confirm button and return step by step. Between 13 and 17, PV and battery power the load together. Until the battery discharges to 20%, it stops supplying power. Grid starts supplying. Go to home page and touch gear icon. Enter the correct password. The default password is 1234. First click on Battery Setting. Then click on Grid Charge. Check Grid Charge to allow using grid power to charge the battery. Set start voltage, current, and percentage respectively to control grid charging. When the battery level drops below 20%, the grid and PV supply power to the load and the battery.